If you live in North America, you should not miss this upcoming very rare celestial event in this month. A total solar eclipse will take place on Monday, April 8, 2024. It will be visible across North America and dubbed as the Great American Eclipse. This is the Universe Factory, and here is everything that you need to know about this upcoming solar eclipse. North American citizens better pay attention as you should not miss out this event. Before that, if this is your first time here, consider subscribing the Universe Factory followed by pressing the bell notification next to it. This way you'll be the first one to get notified whenever we post interesting stuff about astronomy. Additionally, find us on social media platforms, links to which have been mentioned in the description down below. Don't forget to check out. On April 8, 2024, a total solar eclipse will cross North America, passing over Mexico, the United States and Canada, marking the second of the four eclipses in 2024. A total solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the sun and the earth, completely blocking the face of the sun. The sky will darken as if it were dawn or dusk. The locations where the moon's shadow completely covers the sun is known as the path of totality. So people viewing eclipse from these locations will experience a total solar eclipse. Weather permitting, people along with the path of totality will see the sun's corona or outer atmosphere, which is usually obscured by the bright face of the sun. The moon's apparent diameter will be 5.5% larger than the average. The maximum duration of totality will be 4 minutes and 28 seconds, which is around twice as the 2017 Great American Solar Eclipse. The April 8, 2024 total solar eclipse will begin over South Pacific Ocean and will cross North America, passing over Mexico, United States and Canada. Weather permitting, the first location in continental North America that will experience totality is Mexico's Pacific coast at around 11:07 a.m. PDT. The path of the eclipse continues from Mexico, entering the United States in Texas and traveling through Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri, Illinois, Kentucky, Indiana, Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York, Vermont, New Hampshire and Maine. The eclipse will enter Canada in southern Ontario and continue through Quebec, New Brunswick, Prince Edward Islands and Nova Scotia. The eclipse will exit continental North America on the Atlantic coast of Newfoundland, Canada at 5:16 p.m. NDT. Partial solar eclipse will also be visible in all 48 contiguous US states. Now, why is this eclipse important for US citizens? Firstly, it will be the only total solar eclipse in the 21st century where totality will be visible in Mexico, the United States and Canada. It will also be the last total solar eclipse visible in the contiguous United States until August 23, 2044. So you better should not miss this rare opportunity to watch the eclipse. Secondly, another exciting reason for not missing this eclipse is a special guest visiting the sun. During the total phase of the eclipse, there is a high chance to see a comet that is coming back to us after around 71 years. Comet 12P Pons-Brooks, also dubbed as the Devil Comet, will be closer to the sun on the same day as eclipse. It will be cherry on the cake to watch this comet when the moon will block the sun's face completely, brightening the comet in the process. This comet will be at its brightest on 21st April and may become visible to the naked eyes. We are going to post a dedicated video about this comet in coming days, so stay tuned. Now thirdly, you will get to observe a stunning phenomenon known as the Bailey's beads. Named after Francis Bailey, who explained this effect in 1836, these beads become visible just few seconds before the totality begins. As the moon begins to cover the face of the sun completely, the rugged surface of the moon, because of the mountains, valleys and craters, allows beads of sunlight to shine through in some places while not in others. This gives a kind of optical illusion, the bright beads around the edge of the moon, momentarily appearing in the darkening sky before. The final bead before the totality begins appears to be like a diamond ring. Both of these effects again take place on the opposite side once the totality is complete, as the moon begins to slide away from the sun, revealing the disk. Viewing any part of the bright sun through the camera lens, binoculars, or a telescope without a special purpose solar filter secured over the front of the optics will instantly cause severe eye injury. When watching the partial phases of the solar eclipse directly with your eyes, which happens before and after the totality, you must look through the safe solar viewing glasses or eclipse glasses. You can also use an indirect viewing method such as pinhole projector. But do not try and watch the solar eclipse or sun with the naked eyes. It will damage your eyesight. So on this note, I hope we are clear on the fact that why this solar eclipse is so important and rare. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it full of information and got to learn something new. Like and share this video with everyone and let them also enjoy watching this beautiful celestial event. Comment down your thoughts if you have experienced such solar eclipse in the past. Subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon next to it. Subscription costs you absolutely nothing, but it would mean a lot for me to grow our community of stargazers. We constantly post about interesting stuff and latest happenings in the world of astronomy, just like these videos in the suggestions. We'll be back with yet another super interesting video for you soon. Till then, keep looking up.